In today's video, I'll show you how to set up firewall rules in Cloudflare so you can control incoming traffic and protect your website from unwanted requests. If you're new to firewall rules, they allow you to create custom instructions that tell Cloudflare what to do when specific types of traffic reach your website. First, sign in to your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Select the website where you want to create firewall rules. Next, go to the Security section and open the Firewall Rules or Security Rules area. This is where you can manage how Cloudflare handles different visitors and requests. Now click the option to create a new rule. Start by giving your rule a clear name so you can easily identify it later. After that, define the condition for the rule. You can create conditions based on information like IP addresses, countries, request paths, user agents, or other traffic details. Once the condition is set, choose the action Cloudflare should take when the rule matches. Depending on your goal, you can allow, block, challenge, or manage the request in different ways. Before saving the rule, review the settings carefully. A wrong condition can accidentally block legitimate visitors or allow unwanted traffic. After creating the rule, monitor its activity through the Security Events section. This helps you understand how the rule is affecting your website traffic. If the rule does not work as expected, you can edit the conditions, change the action, or temporarily disable it. Keeping your firewall rules organized and updated helps maintain strong website security while allowing normal visitors to access your content. And that's how you set up firewall rules in Cloudflare. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.